wonderful friends of mine, welcome back to my channel. My name is Really Good. I'm glad to know you are fine. You're doing just good. So today I want to share some amazing secrets. I have two things I want to show you at the end of today's video. So if you want to learn how you can restore your sagged breast, please follow me to the end of today's video. Or if you also want to learn how you can restore your big tummy, you want to flatten it using just two things. You don't need exercise, you don't need to dieting, you don't need anything, you just need few things to do. So let me just follow me to the end of today's video. Firstly, I want to show you how you can prepare this, because by preparing, you get that sagged breast restored. Believe me, you won't regret it. So what do we need in the first place? Oh my god, we need our cucumber. Oh my god, we need our cucumber for this. I believe you know what is cucumber. You can get it anywhere. You can get it. Okay, then the next thing we need is our Colgate toothpaste. Very important. Once you have these two, you have at least 70% ahead of many, because you are about to get it restored back even after breastfeeding. Some people you are born with it, and so many things happen. So what do we do, and how do we get it prepared? Get your cucumber, cut it off. Okay, when you cut the little one you want, I just want to show you that I didn't get it from elsewhere, so I get it from this. When you have cut it up, when you got it out, you have to get your scraper and then grind it, get it in the paste like form. Yes, if you want to blend it, if you want to pound it, if you want to do anything, what I need is to extract the juice. And then we're gonna show you another thing. It's not that you're gonna get other one, get rid of it. No, we're gonna use everything. Okay, so if you want to know the procedures and then steps, please follow me to the end of today's video, and don't forget to please subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section. You can also give us a thumbs up, because by so doing, you will be rest assured that what we are doing here, you love it. Okay, so we need your support, and then I believe you, and I promise you, God, you will never regret it. Okay, so let's get it there. So what next do we need after grabbing it this way? You have to form it this way in a paste like form. Exactly. When we are done, we're gonna use this, because what we need is for the two breasts, so you just have to use a measurement for it, something that will be enough for the two breasts. So it depends on the size of your breast. Okay, then the next thing is to add our Colgate toothpaste. The white one is what I'm using. So I don't know how effective is others, but I believe this one is very effective. You can use it for so many things. So when you add it, you have to stir it until you get a homogeneous mixture, something cool, something that will look pretty cool, at least something that will look yummy. yeah, something that will look yummy. Oh my god, I wish I could eat it. So my darling friends, we're almost getting to the end of today's video. Don't leave without commenting, don't leave without subscribing, please. Just do that favor of subscribing, so we will continue to give you our best. Okay, now after stirring it to have a homogeneous mixture, we got to do some other thing, something very important. Please don't be in a haste to leave, don't be in a haste to fast forward it, so that you won't miss anything. Yeah, because I still have like one thing more to introduce, so that I will get this thing done. When you leave it, when you get like this, you have to leave for at least 30 minutes to 1 hour before you make use of it. Yep, 30 minutes to 1 hour. Don't just use immediately. And then once it's 30 minutes, you have to apply it. Just let me use my hand as example. Okay, just have to put it this. So I'm not gonna put my breast, if not for YouTube stuff, oh my god, I would have shown you how I did it. Okay, so just imagine those your breast. You have to paste it there this way. Yep, you have to paste it this way on your breast, and then when you're done pasting it, just like this. Okay, just like this. So I'm just showing you for an example. Then you bring out your cabbage. Yeah, it's very important. Cabbage is very important, so we're gonna use it. So that's why I said don't be in a haste to leave. So remember what I said. Excuse me, I said you have to paste it, put put it on your breast. Okay, after putting it on your breast, what do we have next? Please don't leave anywhere. Don't leave without commenting, please. Exactly. You got to cover your breast with this. Oh my god. That's all. That's all we need. Okay? We just have to cover our breast with this and then wear our bra for like 1 hour or 30 minutes or 35 minutes. That's fine. Then in my next video, I'm gonna show you how you can use this tool to get rid of that fatty and that big tummy beside you. Wanna get rid of it? Just follow me to the end. Oh, sorry. Click on subscribe and then the bell icon so you get the notification. Thank you so much for watching. Love you.